big win here.
Yeah, they're trying to have a better finish. Something that is good to remember to close their season 88. And you know,
There, and we know na they have 5 blocks in their last set. So they're aiming to have more.
so far, 2 players in double digits for NU. Disquitado and or 3.
Grabe yung disiplina nila sa blocking. Knowing Coach Dante, of
Yeah.
course.
Unsurprisingly so. But Paulo Layog, yun ang sinuunang nonchalant. Hernandez with that solid serve. Ordiales pushing that one through. Bump set to Leo. Leo off speed. Si Leo minsan pag hindi siya sobrang happy sa set, no, ino-off speed niya. But here, Disquitado from the back row. This Budin with a serve. That is an ace for Buds. That is point number 12. Explosive second set. 9 points in that second set, or 8 points rather in that second set. 4-point lead for Disquitado. 9 big points in set number 3 rather.
Yung set ako din.
Then, definitely. Mendoza with a serve picked up there by Budin. Greg going to Mukaba. He now matches his output in that game against UE for NU. Budin with 12, Mukaba with 10, 19 for Disquitado, and now 21 for Leo Ordiales, who just... That's our coming from Isa, checks in. That's going to be an ace for Husseini, especially in these tough services. That setup going to Budin, that push. Regidor going to Husseini, picked up there by Gapultos on the other side. They choose Ordiales. That is going to be out for Leo,
Out for Leo.
who will be playing their swan song. So expect them to play all out here. Setup going to Ordiales. That push, he is denied there by Chris Hernandez.
And we're seeing Ordiales.
Serve coming from Regidor. They go up to Budin. Oh, solid block coming from the graduating Paulo Layog.
He heard you giving of the semifinals already.
Because they're currently number 2 and number 3. The question is, will NU get the advantage? And this game will be the answer to that. So far, poised to beat advantage. Hernandez off the blockers. Gapultos was there. Set up going to the back row to Jade. On the other side, bump set going to Yoyong. Oh, a solid denial coming from the Bulldogs.
That was the third block.
Mendoza. Ancheta will serve. Picked up there by Hernandez. They go up to Layog. The graduating player gets a point. It's a bit too low on that release. Hernandez picked up there by Jade. Oh, a tough first ball adjustment coming from NU. Let's see what LaSalle will do. Let's see how they maximize. Regidor going for combination, but the blocking has been established courtesy of Peng Taquibolos. That is point number 6 for the captain. Taquibolos and the rest of the Bulldogs with a 5-point lead. What a serve coming from Budin. They go up to Hernandez. He's denied. Another try, this time from Gloria off the blockers, and that hits the antenna. That works. You don't want to see that.
Mortal sin, kumbaga.
Yeah, especially if you are Coach Dante Linsunurin. This is a player that may be young but with so much experience as Disquitado. Buhayin yung kalaban mong, as some would say, ay patay na because they're down by 2-1. Off the block was Hernandez.
We can see LaSalle starting from the first set. They really have been just patient.
Definitely Disquitado off the blockers. Flores, who's playing his last year, set up to Hernandez, and that converts for Flores and Hernandez.
And you want to challenge the reception of LaSalle.
That serve coming from Gloria, over received. Oh, great block anticipation coming from Ancheta from that Isa Regalo. Oh, Gapultos keeps it alive. Ordiales with a chance ball. Let's see. Isa sets up Chris. Gapultos with that first ball. Nobody home for the second ball. It is tied at 18, folks. It is so weird. Lasal ang humahabol, pero mas mukhang rattled ang NU sa mga nangyayari. First ball better for NU. Desquitado will try. He's denied. They go up to Ordiales with that push. Flores was there. Regidor going up to Fortuna. Jade with that serve. Picked up there by Retiro. Usaini coming alive at the right time. 20-20. Isa to serve now. Picked up by Jade. Over received. Let's see what LaSalle will do. They go up to Fortuna off the hands of Gapultos. MJ Fortuna, point number 4. Something you don't want to see if you're Coach Dante Linsunurin right after that timeout. Isa with that serve. Gapultos with that first ball. They go up to Budin. Popped up by Hernandez. Oh! Net infraction.
And you aiming for that quick side out. They don't want to give more confidence to LaSalle.
Gapultos with that first ball. Budin off the blockers as Buds.
That was quite a tight set for Budin.
Ancheta getting an ace. Execution is always the question.
Yes.
Coaches can give a million instructions, but it's up to the players inside the court. Regidor going up to Layog, who ties things at 23. Chris Hernandez serves. Tough moments that we have here. What a serve. Picked up by Desquitado. They go up. Budin with that push. Kept alive there by NU. Scramble on the side of the Bulldogs. From Taft, they go to Fortuna. Popped up by Ancheta. Ball is still alive. Regidor going to Fortuna. Soft touch. Gapultos was there. Long rally we're having here. Budin finishes off.
More insistent from Budin.
Buds with that serve. They are at match point advantage. Off the block. And Eugene Gloria says not yet. They'll be able to force this one out. Matthew Abbott continues to serve. What a jump serve. Usaini. Oh, this is still alive. Regidor going up to Gloria, who says we are going to a fifth and decider set.